Hello, dear students. I've been away for a while, but I haven't disappeared completely. So today we're going to do a mini lesson on compound adjectives. It's a bit more advanced, so I would say it's a B2 level lesson. But with these compound adjectives, we wonder when to use a hyphen between the two words. So let's take as an example the compound adjective cruelty-free. When do we separate cruelty from free with a hyphen? So let me give you an example. These products are cruelty-free, no hyphen. Why? Because it is being used after the verb be. Another example, these products are, let's always use cruelty-free cosmetics. So this compound adjective comes before the noun. Okay? If it comes before the noun, we use a hyphen. Cruelty, hyphen, free, cosmetics. Cosmetics being the noun. Now, I hope you understood. It's nice to see you again. And let me think about a new lesson that would help you speak better English. Take care. See you next time. Bye-bye.